wasn't even racing, he was fourth foot.
Bro, we know damn well he was just 4 foot. What was I using downtown? Eco Pro, right? Eco Pro? That's all I stand.
Shit, we'll see. We gotta run the race.
Yeah, was that Verbal Tune?
Oh, you better hit it?
Verbal Tune? Verbal Tune?
Yeah, Eco, yeah.
I get my car back in a week and a half.
What car?
I'm confused.
I'm sending it out tomorrow.
All you got is a down pipe, like an actual.
Yeah, because I thought he had pipes in the back.
The two just takes away. Why does the cat leave?
And what is this?
B58. Better than an M55.
What the fuck is the B58?
An engine?
No, like what? Is this regular turbo?
Inline 6 with a single turbo.
A fat turbo though.
It will be a fat turbo on it. You're gonna hear it.
I'm getting geared. I'm getting geared.
Oh, that's cute.
It's alright.
Just a Garrett?
Oh, so yeah, we want the video confirmation of the race?
Huh?
Video confirmation for the race?
Sick.
This okay shape.
Sick. But when he get to him, we put $5 grand on it, and I'm gonna walk him. After I get rid of weight, like I did for that Lambo.
Bro,
On the highway.
you didn't even race the Lambo. You recorded him. You recorded him driving to work. Bro, you recorded the Lambo driving to
bring out
work.
the video. Let's bring out the video.
Yeah, please bring up the video.
Let's bring out the
Please
video.
bring up the video.
Hold on.
Don't show us nothing too crazy.
I don't want to see no dicks.
No, tonight. I ain't with that.
What is that? I'm doing. Let me go back. I'm doing what I was doing. Hold on, let the video replay.
You restarted.
Look where my thing at. Where was that? Like 140. Let's replay it again. Where was I at? Like
Okay,
one.
turn on the audio. Turn on the audio.
140.
Turn on the audio. I want to hear
Yeah,
his.
turn the sound on.
Yeah, I want to hear his V10.
Hold on. All you hear is my car.
You got your windows down or no? Don't know.
Cause he's not accelerating, bro.
Oh yes, he was,
You
bro.
can
We was
hear
racing,
it.
bro. We was racing.
Did he know you were racing?
Oh look.
Bro, he's standing still.
Wait, no, that's some other shit. Where the video at?
The second one, dumbass.
Why I got so many saved?
Because you were recording.
Jesus
Because
Christ.
you saw the Lambo. Jesus fuck.
I mean, it is a Lambo.
No, it's nothing.
He's hating because his car is slow. Okay.
Bro, you just shook on that 5K on camera.
But he gonna get tuned, and I'm still gonna walk.
How about this? You just buy me my turbo now.
Oh yeah, that basically is his turbo right there.
Basically, just buy my turbo. What is it? It's an $8,000 turbo. At this point, just buy my kit.
Buy the kit and the tune.
I'm not showing you the kit.
What's the kit?
Because you're gonna wire me the money. I'm not showing you the kit. Because then you know how much I'm gonna be paying or what turbo I'm gonna get. Nobody's gonna know what turbo I'm gonna have in my car. My hood's never gonna be opened. Once I get turbo tuned and turbo port injection meth NOS, nobody's gonna know.
I'm still gonna walk.
You might have to fucking blur out everything I just said.
I got you.
I'm still gonna walk it. I'm still gonna walk you. I'm not even tuning this.
You're gonna walk a 1200 horsepower car. He's gonna walk a 1200 horsepower car.
I'm gonna walk him.
Belt motor, 1200 horsepower car.
I'm gonna walk him. Hey,
You're gonna walk an 8-second car?
the 8 Series is coming. It's gonna walk him.
You're gonna walk an 8
I'm
series?
getting an 8 Series.
You're gonna walk an 8 series?
I'm getting an 8 Series.
When we race this?
I'm getting an 8 Series.
Wait, you said racing this?
I'm getting an 8
We
Series.
just shake for this.
No, I'm getting an 8 Series though. You didn't know about that. You didn't know about that.
We just shake
I'm getting an 8 Series.
I said I'm gonna race this car.
I'm getting a BMW 8 Series.
Did he not point at this car and said I'm gonna have to lower the
I'm
weight?
gonna have to rewind the footage.
I didn't say nothing about this car. I said I'm getting an 8
He
Series.
literally said I gotta take out.
I'm getting a-
You said
I'm getting an 8
He
Series.
said I have to take the shit out the back of the trunk and take out the seats.
I think
You remember that, right?
low key.
That was when I said I raced the Lambo.
No. You said I'm gonna have to race you like I raced the Lambo.
an 8 Series.
People be lying.
That's crazy. You just lost
That's
5
a
G's,
lot.
bro. I did just lost 5
I'm getting
G's.
an 8 Series, bro.
Bro, your 8 series is still gonna be slow.
Yeah, I'm gonna post the agreements.
Bro, your 8 series is gonna be slow. I'll get my boy to gap you. I'll get my other boy to gap you. I'll get a slash Mustang to gap you.
Not a Mustang.
I'll gap you. I'll even get a 370 to gap your bitch ass.
Oh no.
Fuck it, I'll make
A
it
370.
breed.
A
370.
Fuck it, I'll make it
370.
breed to gap you.
I already asked Bree to race me. She didn't want to race.
If she ain't add nothing new, I'm digging on her.
Y'all see that, y'all? 20.
Digging on her?
Not like that. I ain't with that. I ain't
Are you
with
ready
that.
for that? You're gonna see that. soon. You're gonna see that soon.
Wait.
And it's coming for you.
No, hold on.
And it's coming
Show him the stats. Show him the stats.
for you, bro.
Yeah, focus.
Okay, so it's a.
Bro, what are you looking at?
What you looking up?
Bro, put
Oh, no. You have to. You have to.
850.
Yes, you have to find the exact one though,
Yeah.
because they all have different engines and everything.
What was that? A 2-door? Yeah.
It's an M850. Put M. I'm tuning it though.
I'll take it.
tuning it,
I'll
bro.
take it,
I'm tuning it.
bro. What
tuning
engine?
it.
What engine? What engine?
tuning
Please tell me
it.
the name of the engine.
I'm tuning it.
Please tell me the name of the engine.
I'm tuning it.
Please tell me the name of the engine.
tuning
I don't
it.
care what you're doing to that
I'm
car.
tuning it.
Tell me the
I'm
name of the
tuning it.
engine.
Look, I'm tuning it. We're gonna
an
put
F in
5
front
on
of
it.
If it has an F in front of it, you're getting gapped. If it has an N in front of it, you're getting gapped. If it's an S or a B, I'll compete. N, F, no competition.
Hey, this is how the boxing matches do. The cocky people get. You get baby loose.
Wait, you go to my camera, bro. Remember, that's my camera.
5
Hey, after that race,
Yes,
in this car.
Hey, yeah, I'm low key. I'm about to be his cameraman if that's the case.
I might go get it this weekend if I sell the rim.
Oh.
6.1 liter.
So you're dunking the $5,000 race?
Who said I'm still? Who said I'm not
Because-
doing that?
Because you said you're racing it in this car, no?
I'm racing you in the 8 series.
No, you said in this car.
I'm racing you.
So does the 8 Series have a lot of shit? No, wait, but does the 8 Series have a lot of shit in the back and seats that has to get deleted? Because last time I checked, the 8 Series is a
It don't. Two-door coupe.
Yeah,
Two-door coupe. This is gonna live over 500 until I switch the block out. I don't keep it as 2.
Oh, so I still do races.
Then he said he's
So
gonna be
basically he gonna get both cars. He's
He's
saying.
gonna be on meth. So I'm gonna get
Hey,
the
how about this? How about this? No, how about this? I'll take your 5K on this, and I can race the 850 for 25.
2500.
Yes.
And then that's the turbo ready to go.
Bro, we're not doing double.
How about 10 G's?
What would you do 10 Gs?
Let's do 10
So,
G's.
10 Gs, 5,000 per each?
No, 10 G's.
Hey, we have to get a date on this.
10, 10?
I'm going live on
850
this.
versus this.
Bro, as soon as you get your 850, we're racing. As soon as you get it off the lot.
I'm beating this thing. And once I fully tune it, I'm gapping.
Oh, can you give me a rev real quick, sir? Wait, what side is your?
This is in comfort.
What side is your exhaust on?
It's right here.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
And that's just with a downpipe. He's slow.
That's comfort though. It's on comfort. It's been on.
I was in
comfort.
Eco Pro racing him. His car is slow.
Don't show this on camera.
Good.
What?
Good.
Oh, you gonna see this racing, right?
What?
No,
let me see.
no, I'm looking. I'm looking.
You're racing.
I'm the cameraman. I can see.
Let me see.
No, you're right. Chill out. Chill out.
Hey, chill out, bro.
Hey, chill out. Police.
What's that number?
No, rip.
Hey, that's what
off. Rip.
that's the without that. With that, it's an extra 150.
Yeah.
So I gotta bring out a side. I gotta get a side.
Bro, let me tell you this.
I'll get my boy a side.
Bro, at this point, all you gotta do is bring a pistol because you're not gonna win. As soon as you hear 1, 2, 3, just pull that shit out and start fucking shooting. That's probably the only way you're gonna win money.
You can try to hit his tires.
Let me just go drop my stuff. I gotta check it out for 20K. You wanna race right now? Hold on, let me get the check first.
Bro, what year is your car?
I ain't saying that.
Hey, camera don't lie. I want to see something.
Oh, he has 300 horsepower.
Is that the BMW 8 Series 850i papers? Oh, so now he doesn't know what the 850i series is.
No, this is my home.
You gotta defeat the minions before the
He
boss.
bringing 20 G's? He'll bring 30.
Mm.
When I try to raise Drake, he didn't even want to bring money out. I had to go to the bank, put money out.
Show me how to check it. Don't worry about that.
Stand pull up.
I want to see how to check it. I gotta verify the funds are there. I gotta verify the funds are there.
Tell him to pull up.
I gotta verify the funds are there. He has to drive 30 minutes.
Tell him to pull up.
He has to drive 30 minutes.
Fist bump.
He has to drive 30 minutes.
I'm not gonna race with this one.
Then you're ducking, because that's in your car.
I'm not ducking. I got something else.
What's your something else?
Don't worry about that.
Because if we're racing for 20 years, I'm racing less.
No, you say you want to bring him. Why he gotta bring somebody else? Why he gotta bring somebody else?
I'll race you in this.
You know how on Need for Speed you gotta build up the list.
I'll race you in this.
This is the #1 driver.
Hey, if not, I'll just bring John to fucking bait you first. I'll bring John to bait you first. Show me 20 G's. I'll bring John to bait you first. Show me 20 G's. Race the Kia first. 20 G's.
Yeah.
I'll race the Kia. If you race the Kia in this,
I do my rail.
why did you change first?
Because it's gonna be funny. People get the rail.
Fuck no, we're racing in this.
I'm gonna go get the rail.
So grab your passengers, we're taking it to the highway.
Why you using my rail?
Grab your car, we'll take it to the highway right now.
The rail?
This one.
I get the rail.
Get in your car, we'll take it to the highway.
Okay. You gonna race me? You gonna show me money first?
And this one.
Show me money first.
You gonna show me? You said you had 20 G's, I want to see the 20 G's.
He know what I got. He know.
Okay, but I don't know what you got.
I don't know what you got.
Exactly, but you told me you had
Show
20
me
G's, so I
yours.
want to see it. Show me yours. I want to see your 20 G's.
I guess I'm broke. Guess I'm broke. I got on. Look, this is all I got on. $5.
That nigga literally put $5.
Bet $5.
Y'all really?
Bet
I
$5.
swear to God, if you pull out $5. Is that foreign money, sir?
Where the fuck is my mic? I really saw some money.
Look at that.
Crisp American bills.
$5. Bro, I'm not paying for $2. You see the $5 or nothing.
Hey, it's Nerf or nothing, bro.
$5 or nothing.
It's Nerf or nothing.
Is that Alex? Okay. Alex finally got his
$40.
little Corvette. Okay.
Make it $40.
$5 or nothing.
Make it, okay, fine.
What's that, credit card?
$5.
That boy got a card.
$5. $5. Okay. Apple Pay. You do Apple Pay?
Y'all playing around with $2 of gas right now. 2 gallons of gas right there.
2 gallons, nigga, that's a gallon in like in an eighth.
What you take, 93, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I take 87. No, I don't. No, I don't. Car wouldn't even work at that.
So we're doing 5 G's on this car versus that car. Well, it was already on camera, so.
10 for the 840. 850.
Oh,
10.
we're doing this one first.
10.
We're doing this one first.
You can do that.
We're doing this one first.
You can do that.
And once I see you pay up, we can do that one.
Do that.
We're wasting time.
Do that.
Can't let
So, what you want to schedule this like 2 weeks from now? You said you got to do your tuning stuff?
We can schedule this for tomorrow.
Yeah, I won't have the car tomorrow.
Tomorrow. All right, when you get it back.
Next week at the week after.
What
And that's
other
after
car you working with right
and
now?
that's after you get your tune and your meth.
I'm not putting anything on the car.
Okay, fine. Drop weight. You might need to.
You're racing me in that car.
I am racing in this car.
We might have to go to what's that dyno spot? What's that spot? Yeah. I don't know if they can put this big bitch on it though, but we'll find out.
Bro, you're an idiot. Go tune it and show me the sheet. No, go dyno it and show me your sheet.
We'll do dyno day.
Go dyno.
Down on your car and show me the sheet.
No, because I'm not gonna. No.
He ain't trying to disclose his power right now either. And he is working on a project that we can't talk about at the moment, but
You making about 370, 380.
Right now, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
But his car light as shit.
Trust me. I was an Eco Pro, but we can do it.
Bro, then race me in fucking Sport Plus.
370, 380.
Then race me in Sport Plus.
Nah, right now?
Right now.
I got too much shit in here.
Doesn't matter.
You'd walk it.
This man been in home
I'd
for
walk you either way.
I gotta drop. No, you can't, bro.
Bro, I
can't.
take out my passenger seat. I'm
You
walking
can't.
here.
You can't. All right, meet me in Bayshore, and I'll show you the dude house I race with the limo. can go tomorrow. I'll pick you up.
Pick him up. So you gonna drive him around?
In Bayshore. Yeah, I'm gonna take us to Dude House.
All right.
What Lambo is it?
Don't worry about it. We'll see tomorrow.
Yeah, because if you're gapping at a Venador, you know he lets you pass.
Shit, let me get that roll out real quick, my boy.
About 370, 380, we slow. You're not ready.
We'll see what happens when the time comes.
You're not ready for this.
Whew. Oh, he finna hit the U-turn too. Watch out. That boy finna hit the U-turn.
That damn thing is